welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys my current foot care routine, and I'm really trying to incorporate self-care more, just in general, physically, mentally, all that. And we're gonna start with showing every part of our body lots of love. So I'm going to be just kind of being a little extra with my foot care routine. So Freeman, yes, the brand that creates all those inexpensive fun masks for your face, they also have a lot of cool products for your feet as well. So I will be using their foot scrub, but if you guys don't have all the time to go out, get all these products, do all this, extra steps, you really can just buy a treatment for your feet. They're on Amazon, they are in your local drugstore. I even had one as a backup from Forever 21 that comes with a scrub and a mask, but I had some time, so I decided to just put the scrub on both of my feet, really massage it. And then I'm taking this Callus Remover and I'm using all ends of this bad boy to really just get all of that dead skin off of my feet. I might look a little rough, but you want to be very gentle when you're doing this, but still, we want all that dead skin to go. Mind you, it's still winter time, it's still cold, so your feet can be really dry, so I just want to get rid of all that dead skin. I also want to note that you can work with whatever you have. You can DIY your own scrub, whatever you use on your body. Say you make a coffee scrub or something like that. I'm sure it will work just as well on your feet. The point of this is to just remove all of that dead skin like you would with your face, essentially. You just want to make sure you do that with your feet as well. And as you can see, my toenails are painted, and I really did not want to take off this nail polish for the purpose of this video because it was looking real cute. But I normally would spend time with my cuticles and paint my nails a new color. So of course that part's not going to be shown in this video. But as you can see, I'm really taking my time with this foot scrub. Y'all, it smelled so good. I totally recommend that Freeman foot scrub. I'll put all of the products in the description box below, and I'm just massaging my feet, really getting in there because it felt good, it smelled good, and you just gotta give yourself some time to unwind. Mind you, I was watching a movie while I was doing this, so I'm getting a hang of this self-care thing. You just really have to dedicate time for it. And I just loved all the features of this tool. It had a pumice stone, a brush, everything that you need, and I got mine from Five Below for like $3, I think. So I totally recommend it. Check out your local dollar store or anything like that. And as you can see, I washed off the foot scrub and my feet are glistening. Alright, so now as you can see, I'm taking a towel and getting my feet dried and ready for the next step. I wanted to show you guys this mask because once again, it is inexpensive. It's by Freeman. By the way, this isn't sponsored. I just thought this was really cool that they had all these products for your feet. It's an overnight foot treatment mask. I got mine from Five Below, but this is where I'm going to switch it up. So I'm going to use this foot treatment from Forever 21, which was a 2-in-1 treatment. It had a scrub, which I didn't use, but I'm using their foot mask because you leave it on for 20 to 40 minutes and then you are set. It has all the moisture, all that good stuff that you need. And I personally loved this mask because it was so incredibly moisturizing. It is a little slippery though, so I recommend watching a movie like I did or reading a book and staying still. But y'all, I don't know what I was doing prior to this moment, but foot masks are what it's all about. My feet felt so soft after this treatment. I could not stop touching them. It was amazing, and I definitely recommend this step in your routine. As you can see, this video is a bit random, but I wanted to share it with you guys to emphasize self-care in general. It's not just about a face mask, and it's definitely more than just skin. It is mental as well. But I wanted to show you guys this and hopefully encourage you to pamper your feet as well. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.